I'm going to show you what a light looks like. I'm going to show you what an LED light looks like through a number 8 shade lens for arc welding. There it is. Here's the lens. It is a number 8 shade. This is for welding. I don't like handling these that much because they're aggravating to try to clean. And you got to really wipe these hard to clean them. You can see the reflection of the camera in it. Oh, right there. Alright, I'm going to put this in front of that light. That's an LED light, and show what it looks like. Look at that. I'm going to take it all the way up to the lens. So there's what it looks like. Wow. Cool. There's a TV. Okay. So that's a number 8 lens. Here's a number 5 lens. Now this lens right here is for brazing. It is a number 5 lens. This is a Radnor number 5 lens for brazing with, I guess, oxygen and acetylene torch. It's not as dark shaded as the number 8 lens and the number 10 lens. Number 10 lens is for arc welding. This is a number 5 lens for brazing. So it's not shaded as dark. You can see more through this lens than you can the other ones. You can see more through this number 5 lens than you can the number 8 shade lens and the number 10 shade lens. The number 10 shade lens. I need to somehow strap this thing to the lens of the camera where it can't come off. But look now. So you can see more through. I've actually arc welded with one of these number 5s. You can, but it still hurts your eyes a little bit. You're going to get a little bit of hurting in your eyes. But you can weld with one of them. It's just harder though because it hurts your eyes a little bit. But you can still see it though. See what it looks like this. See if you can see my face. See the Wendy's cup. See the reflection on that phone screen. See the reflection in that phone screen. Number 5 brazing lens. That's what this is. Well, we'll do that. That'll do it for now.